In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add blur to your image or video file in Adobe Express. So let's get started. Here I have a background that I want to completely blur out. The picture itself has some blur in it already, but I want the whole thing to be blurry. So how do I do that? Well, I need to grab that layer so I can either click directly on it, or if I can't seem to get to it, I can always click on the layers panel to select it. And when you click on it, you'll get this menu on the side. Under Image Edit, you should see an Adjust button here. So if you click that and then scroll down to the bottom, there's a blur option. So now I just need to slide this up to whatever degree I like. I like it about there for this, maybe a little bit less. And then I also like to bump up the brightness a little when I blur. It's not required, but it's just something I do. And that looks pretty good. If I ever want to take out the blur, I can just go back down to 0 and that's no problem. But yeah, I'm going to leave it there. Just know that you cannot add the blur to text or shapes. So if I go into my text layer here and grab part of the text, you'll see that under Edit, there isn't an Adjust option, unfortunately, for now at least. So it's really limited to just images and videos, and obviously not shapes either, unfortunately. So that's it. I hope you found this useful. I really like blur, and I think it gives a nice layer of interest to the image and gives it some depth and stuff. So hopefully you found this useful. If you did, check out my playlist in Adobe Express for more like this, and thank you so much for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.